Hey guys, I'm Don Altman with Altman Brothers Kitchen, and today I just want to talk to you a little bit about what we got going on and where we came from. So when Jason and I, my brother, started this channel, we really wanted to add an artistic cinematic aspect to some cooking videos or videos in general that really just focused on our passions, and that's food, photography, film, and family. And we wanted to learn how to speed ramp. We saw it in other videos online, and we wanted to learn how to do that process when it came to filming with in-camera transitions and then adding the speed ramping technique in Adobe Premiere. So we shot an ice cream sundae video as our very first video that we shot. And I just want to say right now that the sundae doesn't look good at all. We know that it melted by the time we could finish, but we were really just focused on the aspect of filming for speed ramping and that process and trying to think about it as we film. So we spent a lot of time and we learned the techniques of speed ramping in Adobe Premiere. And I thought that it was important to go ahead and just show you this video as an example of speed ramping in Adobe Premiere. Like I said, please go easy on us in the comments about the actual sundae, because I know it looks absolutely terrible. And you know, as we started this channel, if you like the content that we're producing, we would love to produce more content, but like and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to put out this type of video in the future. So we'll go ahead and cue the speed ramp video.